Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve going out on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of CapCut, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.